today I have two ideas, both long, starting with Bharti Airtel. That is looking some kind of a base formation. Bharti can climb to levels closer to 309. I would have a stop below 295 on Bharti and trade long. The second stock that I like is Tata Steel. Here I feel that Tata Steel can climb to levels closer to around 385. I will have a stop below 370 on Tata Steel and trade long. He's actually given a breakout at 370 zones. Looks good, Tata Steel. So for today, two stocks, Bharti Airtel and Tata Steel, both long. On the futures front, it's a bit tricky. FNO expiry close by. I would like to trade Bank Nifty futures. We can see perhaps Bank Nifty futures climb to levels closer to 10,650, stop below 10,500. As long as 10,500 holds, there could be a chance for an up move on Bank Nifty futures.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Petronet LNG in the cash segment at 135 levels. I would hold the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 137, expecting to book profits at 132 or into the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Tata Motors in the cash segment at 401 levels. I would hold these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 397, and I would expect to book profits at 406 or into the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to short March futures of Titan at 249 levels. I would hold these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 253, and I would expect to book profits at 244 or into the session, whichever comes first.
We are recommending a long position in Tata Motors. Yesterday we saw a strong, recovery from the lower level. So I think this is one stock where we can see a upside towards 420, 425. One can initiate a long position keeping a stop below 400 in Tata Motors. We are recommending a short call on Biocon. This stock has given a major breakdown on its weekly and monthly charts below 430 levels. As far as overall pharma is concerned, we have seen a strong addition of short in most of the pharma names like Biocon, Dr. Reddy, even Sun Pharma. So as far as downside is concerned, we are looking for a target of 395 in Biocon. One can initiate a short position with a stop above 436 levels.
Buy in a Amara battery, stop loss of 378, target of 407. I already talked of Lupin. I have another sell in another pharma stock, which is a Dr. Reddy. Sell a Dr. Reddy, stop loss of 2690, target of 2510. I see a 4-5% trading downside in most of these stocks. And for FNO traders, I would go with a buy in a L&T April futures. I normally take a view of a 2 to 3 trading sessions, and today being expiry, you can't take a call in the March futures. So I would buy L&T April futures with a stop loss of 1272, target of 1314.
Well, the idea should be to, catch hold of stocks in the broader market, things which are, lower down the market cap. So going with that view, Nifty needs to stay above 6602, support at 6578 and 6555, resistance at 6625 and 6649. Bank Nifty must stay above 12,519 and CNX IT above 9250. BTST from yesterday, Biocon is a sell with a stop of 432, target of 405. Lupin is a sell with a stop of 950, target of 925. IDFC is a buy with a stop of 112, target of 124. Fresh calls for the day, Nagarjuna Construction, that's a buy with a stop of 39, target of 43. Gujarat Fluoro is a buy with a stop of 280, target of 325. Sray Infra is a buy with a stop of 26, target of 35. PNB is a buy with a stop of 655, target of 710. Tata Communication is a buy with a stop of 284, target of 303. And East India Hotel is a buy with a stop of 65, target of 82. On Nagarjuna Construction, the stop is 29, not 39.
Arvind Mills had a very strong, Arvind Limited had a very strong buy breakout yesterday. So now can be bought with a stop at 160 for targets of 175. The other stock which I like is Century, which managed to get past the earlier swing highs. Would recommend a buy with a stop at 346. Look for targets of 368, 370 over here. Colgate Palmolive is a buy with a stop below 1347. for a short-term target of 1400. And I've got two sell calls on the pharma side. Divi's Lab is a sell with a stop at 1402 for targets of 1340, while Sun Pharma is a sell with a stop at 580 half for targets of around 540.